Hey guys, thought I'd give you a quick look at the system. It's slowly coming together. It's got two IBCs up the back there. It'll run down into the 500 litre grow beds, which will then run down into this sump and then back up. But got to wait for the pump to pick it up next weekend. We'll have another 3,000 litre aquaculture tank, which will sort of go down in here. But that'll be hooked up through this bed, and then I've got another couple of beds over here. One will be a media, one will just be raft. So it'll be 1,500 litres through there. But again, still got to add some filtration. We'll only be able to have probably 10 fish in each there, just until we sort of get some filtration happening. But there you go. Got some shade up as well. That's only 30%, so that should be nice and cool for the plants. Anyway, so that's it, and don't forget to like or subscribe if you want to see how this systems go. I'm Aquaponic Dan, and thanks for watching. Cheers.